In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a public plan private in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all of your planning tools are available. From here, look over to the left navigation panel and click on My Plans. This will bring up a list of every plan you currently have access to. Now, locate the public plan you've already prepared and click on it to open it. For this walkthrough, the plan being used is called Vendor Launch Privacy Demo, but yours may have a different name. Next, we're going to open the Sharing menu. Move your eyes to the top right corner of the plan, where you'll find the purple Share button. Go ahead and click that Share button. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click Share again to continue. The next part is to create a group for this plan. Inside the Share window that opens, click the option that says Create New Group. In the New Group Name field, you can keep the suggested name or type a new one. In this example, the group is named Vendor Launch Privacy Demo, so go ahead and type that name in carefully. For the Add Members to your group field, leave this blank unless you specifically need to demonstrate adding someone at this stage. Then move down to the Description field. You can leave this blank as well, or type a short description if you'd like one attached to the group. Now it's time to set the privacy level. Click the Privacy Level dropdown to expand the available options. From the list, select Private. Just so you understand the difference, private means only members of the group will have access to the plan, while public means anyone in your organization can access it. Once private is selected, click the final button to create the group and share the plan with it. The last step is to confirm the result. Look near the top right of the plan and check that it now shows the lock or private indicator. This confirms the plan is private and restricted to the group. The Planner plan is now private. People who are already members of the plan's Microsoft 365 group can still access it, but people outside that group can no longer discover or join it as a public organization-wide plan. Congratulations!